Now, what are you making, Xand?
Well, I'm trying to make some hand puppets. This is meant to be the superhero, the mighty Xand, and this is the evil sorcerer, Chrysador.
Yes, well, good luck with that. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you a trick that will allow you to see through a hole in your hand. It's Dr. Chris's world-famous how to make a hole in your hand trick. So who here thinks we can use the things on this table to make holes in the palms of our hand that we can see through? Well, it's time to have a go.
Bethany, how did you get on?
So I put the tape on my hand and then I put a rubber band over it. Okay. So now you can see through.
It's not really a hole in your hand, but I think it's quite a good creative effort.
Yeah, now Abdul Malik, you had a very simple solution. What did you do?
I put black ink in the palm and the back of my hand to make a little illusion that there's a hole in through my hand.
It's a good illusion, but of course we can't quite really see through your hand. Who wants to see how the trick is really done? Me! So you're going to get a piece of paper, you roll it up into a tube. With the tube in one hand, hold it up to the eye on the same side of your body. Keeping both eyes open, hold the other hand in front of the other eye. And now you can see through a hole in your hand.
I can see you right through the middle of my hand.
I bet you want to see too. Here we go. Tube up to one eye, other hand up to the other eye. Keep looking through both eyes, and magically I can see Xand through my hand. Why do you think you see a hole in the hand? What's going on in your brain? Sydney, have you got a thought?
This eye is seeing your hand, and this eye is seeing through the tube, and your brain wants to make it all one picture.
That is a perfect explanation. Whenever you look at things, your brain is having to process two images, one from your right eye, one from your left eye. And so most of the time, you see more or less the same thing with both eyes. But if you make a hole in front of one eye and hold your hand up to the other, your brain puts the two images together and you see the hole as being in your hand. And that was Dr. Chris's world-famous how to make a hole in your hand trick.